morning. It's day 8 of documenting my journey of creating my space mission simulator. And I'm testing out some things, and I'm gonna do this video like in mini videos that I'm gonna be recording at different times of the day. And I just woke up, as you may see, and yeah, so I'm gonna take a cold shower, meditate for 20 minutes, and I'm gonna start to work. I'm not really sure what oh yeah, I am sure. I'm gonna be breaking down what things I need to learn to create the minimum viable product. So that's gonna be fun. And yeah, and after I'm gonna be learning about clean code and graphics with C++ and stuff like that, because that's for sure, I know that I'm gonna need that, and also version control like GitHub. So yeah, let's do it. Cold shower is done. Let's go. Let's continue. Alright, meditation is done. Now I'm gonna start working, and what I'm gonna do exactly is wait. You don't hear me? Excuse me. What I'm gonna do exactly is make a list right here. Make a list for make a list of the things that make up my MVP, my minimum viable product, and then I will create a diagram following the principles of priming of my learning system. And I'm gonna do that for 20 minutes. I'll just jot down a list and make a diagram of what the MVP is about, like the constituent parts, and then I'm gonna be doing, after the diagram, I'm gonna do some research and complement the diagram with more stuff. I'll research in my notes, in AI, in Google, and for like 20 more minutes, and I think I'll have a good idea, of what my app will be and what I'm gonna have to learn, because that's the actual goal. I want to know what exactly do I need to learn. I know I'm not gonna know that exactly, but I will be getting closer, and I will have a diagram, a representation of what it will be, that I can just keep adding things each day, and the clarity will build up each day as I go. So I think I've explained that right, and let's do it. After working, I'll record another video. Alright, it's been close to an hour and a half or something like that, and I've been doing some stuff, so let me show you. Here I've done the kind of like the planning of the work session, and I'll just briefly go through it, because if not, this video is gonna be like too long. So we got the list of main concepts. Basically just write down the main concepts that I can remember of my app, right? Of what do I want my app to be. So 5 minutes of this, and this is what I did. The list of main concepts, sections, pillars, constituents of the minimum viable product of my app, of SpaceWise. So here I have it. I put many things, and then I created a high-level diagram of the key concepts. Now here it is. Wait, where am I? So here it is, the high-level diagram of the main concepts. I just basically copied the items, the list, right, and I put it on diagram form on Canva. Next, what did I do? Bro, this is so confusing. Where am I? Here. Okay. Then I did skimming. What is skimming? Well, I basically went through all my notes that I had from the project and all my diagrams and everything. Uh, like example this. Oh shit, shit, bro. Why? What is this? Hello. So this and my chat with ChatGPT and my notes basically. Then what else did I do? Yeah, skimming. Here I didn't do it very well because I didn't actually skim. I just went right into it. What I mean by this is that I didn't superficially or on a high level. I didn't went through the topics on a high level. I focused too much on the details and well, it ended up not being skimming. It was actually just diving right into it. So, but it is what it is. I will improve. Then I added to the diagram without looking at my notes, just from my head what I can understand. I added to that diagram and I created another diagram. So here it is. Yeah. Boom. Let me actually do this. So then we went from this to this, right? A bit better. And so I added what I could from my mind and like from what I could remember from my notes, because I think it's very important what I'm doing, for the reason that I need to really understand my app for the good ideas to come, and for the clarity to come, which is what I want, because I want to know exactly, not exactly, bro. I need to stop using superlatives, bro. I want to know the things that I need to learn, and what is specifically what what is the MVP, like what are the parts of the MVP, so I can actually work on it and I can have a better picture, better understanding of my app. So basically that's what I've been doing. You can pause if you want to read. And then what else did I do? I actually did skimming for 10 minutes. Now I actually did it. And then I added the diagram again. And this is what, wait, bro, I need to do something. I'm just changing scene again and again and again. Yeah, and this is number 3. Boom. Not very big difference, because I mean I don't know, I don't think it was very effective what I did in this work session, but I will think about it now, and I'll see how I can improve my studying, or my getting clear about my app. So here what I added was this. Each lesson will have learning objectives that indicates to the student the purpose of that lesson. Then this was already there. It will teach basic math, physics and space science. Remember, we're talking about the MVP, with the objective of allowing the student to execute a mission to the moon. Like, I will teach on the MVP knowledge until the student can execute a mission to the moon. I think that I said it in the right way. And then, so we got this, then we got learning experience. And I still need to elaborate more on this, but I'll do it. Motivation, competitive environment, very safe data storing, XP, main program flow, storyline, and yeah, basically what I've been doing. Next we have last thing, we have the create pretest questions. Now I did create them here, but I didn't know why they were actually useful. and but I just did them anyways. So how can I relate the storyline to the motivation system? I followed the guidelines that I had in my document of creating pretest questions. So generate, so we got different types: analysis, evaluation, application, focus on connections, on questions that connect different topics, relevance, why is it important to you, make questions that relate to your own goals with the information, I guess, and prediction, make questions that make you predict. Now I did that, and as you can see, here they are, but I didn't really understand fully, so I asked AI about this, and here's what it gave me. So the purpose is all of this, it's pretty good. And then we have the how to, which is like, what I got from this is that you don't actually need to answer the questions instantly. These are questions that activate your brain and make it, like, consolidate the information that you've been learning, right? You've been priming for. And these are questions that are supposed to be answered at the end of the learning, at the end of the, for example, of the course, at the end of the module, at the end of the, in this case, at the end of me studying my own app and making the diagram and finishing it. So yeah, let's go through this. So initial creation, I create them before actually going into the course, going into the details, right? During learning, or during right now, what I've been doing during my work, I needed to keep these questions in mind. Now that I see it, I should have made the pretest questions maybe before, but to be honest, I think it's okay. Like, these pretest questions are more for learning, but I applied them to the work that I did because I believe it's a good practice, and I believe that it's important. Okay, and if you were wondering, I did this before I actually started to work. So yeah, and then I just followed it, and I put here +5 because it took me 5 minutes more, and I wanted to do 5 minutes more, and that's basically what I did. Yeah, right now I'm gonna go make breakfast and then talk with a friend of mine, then eat, and then I'll study. What am I gonna study? I don't know, it will be version control, or OpenGL with C++, or just C++, or clean code, like one of those things. That's for sure I'm gonna need it in the future, so I'll just study that. And I will have to where is it? So lessons, bro, what's the name of this? I don't know. Let me just go to live study sessions. That's it, bro. Study sessions. And I'll go through this, and I'll create a study session just gonna be about something, like, it will be about SpaceWise, so that's I know that for sure. So here it will be. Nice. Let's go. See you after. I don't know if I will make a video, like, to prepare for this and to show you. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But yeah, I'll see you. Sup, quick update. I've been working on creating this. Damn, bro, a red screen using OpenGL and SLD2. Crazy, man. 2 hours, bro. 2 hours working on this. Look at this. All of this code, bro, that I don't even know why it exists and why it works, bro. 70 lines of code, bro, just for a red screen. What is this? But it was cool, bro. It was fun. I just created this. I mean, I didn't. I was following. Let me see. I was following this tutorial. Excuse me. And I asked Perplexity, like an AI, because it wasn't working, and I tried to figure out why, and it worked. And basically, I only did this for a bit of for pride, bro, because I wanted to get something done. You know, something physical. I mean, this is not physical, but something tangible. And yeah, basically, what I'm gonna do now is study for 2 hours, prime for 2 hours. So here's what I got. I'm gonna scope the subject. I'll just create a diagram, like a tree diagram. But to be honest, like scoping the subject and doing this, it's basically the same thing. I'll think about what I will do, if I will just join both of, like, all these three, a scoping, list, and high level diagram, or if I will do it separately. But I think, to be honest, it's just the same. So yeah, that's a quick update. I'll see you in 2 hours. Where am I? Bro, so many things, bro. Look at this, bro. There's literally this for my camera, because my camera is my phone, so I have no camera. But anyway, yeah, let's go. What's up? Damn, bro, light is so bad. Okay, just giving progress report. I've been doing that. So I did study for 2 hours, and bro, I had so many not negative thoughts, but just so much doubt, bro, about what I'm doing. A lot of perfectionism, a lot of like bad mindset of just avoiding mistakes, but I catch myself and I try to make mistakes, but then I go back to the bad mindset. Anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping and crying and stuff. So here's what I did. I basically wrote down why is it important for me for 5 minutes. Then I did a quick skim through the course. I basically just took a look at the description of the course, at the title of the videos, for like 10 minutes, and then without looking I did a list of the main concepts that I could remember, you know. So here's the why is it important for me, and here it is, the list. It's pretty good list, to be honest, for 10 minutes of of skimming. And after that I did a diagram, also without looking, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. Yep, it's this one. How do I do this? Okay, 1 second, bro. Okay, no. Yeah, this is good light, I think. This is good light right now. So here we have like lightning, shadow mapping, graphics theory, everything that I have here. And then I just added some like subtopics, you know. So creating a window skybox, I related this with this, and yeah, basically, and that's it. Then I did more skimming. I went into more excuse me, I went into more detail. And then I did 2 minutes of list. Bro, here I said, bro, let's do 5 minutes of of listing, bro. And then I just thought, bro, this is useless and pointless, bro. I need to do diagramming, bro. So I did only 2 minutes, and here it is, second round. And then I did more like I expanded the diagram, and here it is, boom. So what did I add? So we have here transformations, shaders, textures, coordinates. Then here I added uniformal variables, and I added this connection where putting images as textures is related to adding details on 3D models, and uniformal variables. I don't know even if this is right, but yeah, that's the process, I think. And then vectors and matrices are related to this, and then I just put more things, and yeah, that's basically what I did. This is like this is not considered as studying. This is like priming. This is like pre-studying, you know. So this is very important for to prime my brain, to make my brain learn better. And there's a saying that you, like, for an hour of priming you save 10 hours of learning after. So that's pretty cool. But I don't know if I'm doing this right. I've been having a lot of doubt, and I don't know what I'm doing, but bro, I need to remind myself that that's part of the process, bro. I need to make mistakes, I need to feel like this, I need to feel hopeless, bro, I need to feel uncertain, to then feel certain, to gain clarity, bro. I just need to feel this way, bro. When my big brain is bro, I don't know. Bro, I'm crying. I'm just crying, bro. I'm just crying. Fuck me. It's pretty late right now. I'm a bit tired, but no problem. So then, I did it. I'm supposed to be tired at the end of the day. So we have importance. We have, yeah. Then I did questions. So like these types of questions that, like the pre-test questions, you know, here, like the analysis, evaluation, application, the questions that make me think about, like, connect topics, connect concepts, think about how can I apply them, limitations, strengths, weaknesses, how do they relate with other things that I've been learning. So here they are, the questions that I have for now. And then I just did how is it important for me again, because I started, like, I did it here, why is it important, or how, and then I thought, bro, I think it makes more sense to do it at the end, so I did it at the end. And yeah, I basically wrote down why is it important, now with the more advanced knowledge. And then I jot down, I placed here, I wrote what do I hope to learn and achieve after this course, and here it is. That's basically what I did in 2 hours, I think, right? Let me see if I can do this math. So here we have 10, 30, 10, but this is not 10, bro. I did like, yeah, I did 10, yeah, no, I did 14 here. I did 14 minutes. Okay, let's count it as 15. So we got 30, 35, 45, 55, 55, 70, 80, 92, 102, 105, 107. It's close, it's close. I don't know, it was getting really late. So yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did today. Have a nice one. This video is gonna be probably like 40 minutes, bro. It's crazy. Alright. Oh.